Hey guys, it's Eric RPG again, and he's sleeping on the job, and you can hear him snoring. Yeah, this is Kid Dracula. Anyways, we are on the cloud level 3 now, and we've got the new homing. We can make use of homing here. I forgot. It has its uses. See? It's just a normal shot. See, that's the problem with homing. It just seems to go everywhere. It's falling! Checkpoint! Oh, it's a roller coaster. That's gonna be fun. And by fun, I mean totally not. You'll see why in a minute. I'm gonna die a lot here, probably. Whoa! Yeah, don't fight those things. They're a waste of time. Don't fight anything here, in fact. I can feel the lag. Spaceships. If you're trying to emulate the feel of a roller coaster, I think you're doing a terrible job, game. It's still kind of exciting, though. I think it's time to make another save slate. Yeah, that's why I stayed on that one. Oh, that was terrible. There's a definite pattern here, I just forget how it's done. Oh, see? That's what happens. Oh, crap. This is gonna be a nightmare. The actual boss of this level is surprisingly easier than this. Figured it was a good time to do that. One more section to this left. Oh, whoops. I kinda forgot to... Oh, I forgot the sequence here. Jump over this, duck. Of course I forget to jump. Gotcha! Yes, we get health. Finally. Now we fight alien ships for a bit. Falling! Oh, this boss. I hate this boss. He's so bad. That's a trick to fighting him. He's already dead. Fastest boss ever. And that's how you take care of the boss. Yay! We defeated the boss. Now we can walk upside down. Yay. It'll be helpful. Some of the levels require it. And since I don't have enough coins, I'm not gonna be able to... Well, I guess I could try earning coins. I want to show you at least the last minigame. Get additional coin by guessing the correct number. 2 coins per play. Let's bet on 8. Oh, so close! Well, that sucked. Yeah, I'm not wasting my time here. None, we're good. We're going on a pirate ship now. Yay. Take care of these guys. Ah, I thought I could outrun it. I don't care if I die here, I just need to get through here. Got 14 lives, and good. Aha! We've gone through! Oh yes. This is where the upside down comes into play. Switch to upside down. You switch between your different abilities by hitting select. Gotta time this right. Turn that off. Because we do have a timer. Keep forgetting. I don't want to charge. Made it out of there. done that. Uh-huh. There we go. There is something over here I want to get. The extra heart piece. There's only 2 of these in the game. Upside down! Yay. 4 stools. What happened there? Oh, I still had upside down on. Oh no, it's gonna turn off. Ta-jar! And we do have a boss here. Well, technically, 2 bosses. Kind of a pain in the butt. Like, I wish I had come in here with full health. Although I guess if I die, that's fine. Got the boss. But, wait a minute. Aw, shit. Crap, that sucked. Oh, I jumped. I didn't mean for that to happen. What was I doing? Oh, that was so bad. Bad timing. I'm gonna milk this guy. Let's see. Yeah, you gotta watch out for those lasers. He'll do that eventually. And he's down. We got time for one more level. The bomb! Now it'd break down walls. Yeah! Wait, who's this? Kid Dracula, are you doing well to get this far? You are doing well. Without being harmed? Well, I've died plenty of times. I've been save scumming. Yeah, I'm not one of those LPers that cares about whether or not I'm doing a game good. I try to do my best. Still got a long way to go. Come on in. Use the bat umbrella, loved by your father. Just giving it to a bat, so it should reach you any minute. Actually, I'm gonna stop the video here so I can do one final video. I'll just make it long. So yay! And I won't ever use it until the very end. Serious. Very important umbrella for Count. Care not to lose it. So long, Master. I shall await your safe... What? What's going on? Oh no! That's totally not Garamoth either. It isn't. I'm serious about that. It's his underling. True fear! Ha 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 ha. He's like, whatever, dude. Alright, one more minigame. It's the shittiest minigame. I'll show you. Jump and pop. It's the same place it started at. Jeez. Jump and pop. So yeah, I gotta spike a hat on. Jump with A or B in order to pop the balloons. Timing the release of the button will help you jump higher. This is why it sucks. 1 up. Yeah, because you pretty much get stuck up in the air. Aww. Oh well. Yay, I got 3 lives. Which I don't need anymore. She's a cute little witch, though. Space elevators! Yeah, I'll stop the video here so we can do it next time on Kid Dracula. See you guys later. Bye-bye.